My name is Udo. I am in primary 5. My auntie takes me to school as my mom leaves very early to work. I feel very sad every time I go through this. Why should we suffer like this to school?
How long can a soul endure this anguish on a Papa road? How much stress can even a car take on this horrible road? The negative effect of this bad road on my car condemned me to frequent visits to the mechanics. Time, unplanned expenses, and even my health are victims of this bad road. My productivity at the workplace has dropped. Family time and relationship are affected. We desperately need a solution to this bad Papa road.
Timely solutions. Restoration of order. Enduring and modern approach. Initiatives from within. Right principles. All birthed from an expected domain, a trusted corporate citizen. This project that was awarded in 2018 by the federal government to the Dangote Group at a cost of 83.9 billion naira will start off at the Apapa Port Gate, Greek Road, Tin Can Island, Beachland, and run through Oworonshuki to the Ojota toll gate end of the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. It is going to be its first major reconstruction since it was built in 1975. Commuting on this stretch has been a hellish experience. When the road is fully constructed, it will have 10 lanes, 5 on both sides, including drainages, rehabilitation of some of the bridges, and interchanges.
We'll build it, we'll maintain it for 5 years, and it is a concrete, solid road that can last over 40 to 45 years. That's number one. Number two, the government, they don't have to pay a dime. We will now fund. What we are doing actually, we are advancing our taxes for the next 3 years to build this road. Number three, there is no escalation in the cost of the road. You can see the one that we did in Obajana, the one that we did in Isolo, right from Apapa road network up to the toll gate between Ogun State and Lagos. We are building 10 lanes. We have almost finished. It's been delivered, and there's no escalation in cost.
We've had specialist designers from overseas guide us in the design of the pavement. We've sought to do it a lot quicker with better results, and the pavement is designed to be maintenance free for a minimum period of 30 years. So it's had technical challenges in that We've had to import special machinery to achieve these goals.
This design, though expensive, though of higher cost, but do you know what? By the time we are through with what we are doing today, it will outlive you. Because we are thinking of more than 40 years of lifespan. Even when the underlying material now fails, for a very long time, the structure still remains.
What will it take to build these 30 kilometers of road? It starts with excavation of the old surface to reveal the kind of subgrade underneath. If the subgrade is satisfactory, then a stone base is brought in and spread over it with the grader. This process will continue until it reaches the required thickness of about 300 millimeters. After this comes the cement-treated base with an optimized 5% quantity of cement. The pulverizer takes over, mixing the cement-treated base to increase its density and strength.
Because of the depth, we've had to import special rollers to compact the full layer thickness.
And compaction follows. At this stage, the thickness of the road is about 500 millimeters thick, which is about 1.6 feet. And the mechanical broom prepares it for priming. By the time the road construction is complete, it will have consumed over 340,000 tons of stone aggregate, 75,000 tons of stone dust, and 220,000 tons of stone base. These Y20 steel will run all the way from Apapa to the old toll gate. A total of 18,000 tons of steel will be used for this road. That is about 3 times the amount of steel used to build the Eiffel Tower of Paris.
The quality of steel that we make means that we can sell our steel across Africa and Europe without even it having to be tested. So when Dangote found out that such quality can be manufactured locally, they were surprised and they came and sent an audit team to our factory to do an audit.
The right aggregate mix is then fed into this machine known as the concrete paver, and like clockwork, it performs. When it is dry, the pavement would have added another 200 millimeters, making it a combined 700 millimeters thickness. The average Nigerian road is about 300 millimeters of thickness.
At the end of the day, for one, we have one of the best roads in the world here on this axis.
We are doing concrete road, which will last for a much longer period. And we are doing 1.5 meter soil exchange, so the road will be very, very stable. And we are also doing it on a fast track basis, much faster than any other contractor normally delivers the roads in Nigeria.
This road is just one out of several that are in the pipeline. And we're encouraging other people who are interested. You don't have to be a Dangote to make this investment. It's part of your CSR. Because if we don't get things right, at the end of the day, as a country, we're not moving anywhere.
I think this can help the government. It's a partnership, which I believe, we should also chip in our own and say, okay, fine. And plus, we're building commercial roads, of which we are also the users of the road. Not only Dangote, but other companies too are using the road. So with this, I think we can quickly accelerate in building our infrastructure rather than following the budgetary process.
This drain canal is approximately 500 meters long. Its job is to accommodate the high volume of flow rate to discharge water bodies. It caters to the drain flow from Mile 2, Berger and the Sunrise axis. It is amazing how in 3 years there has been total transformation on the Apapa-Oshodi stretch.
My name is Williams. Today I enjoy smooth ride on motorbike to work, even on a wet day like this. It was very risky going to work until Dangote made it very easy for us. I now get to work fast and fresh. I am more productive and able to provide for my wife and 3 children. I thank Dangote for making life easy for us.
The road is wide and smooth all the way.
Going to school and back is very easy and fast. I want all roads and streets to be like this road. I like this road so much. Thank you, Dangote.
Roads are the heartbeat of a nation through which the economy thrives.
We are like them that dream. This smooth drive was an illusion. Few months ago, with Dangote intervention, commuting is now pleasurable, and life is beautiful and worth living. We thank you most sincerely, Dangote.
Since the road was fixed, the Apapa port experienced a 61% increase in revenue in the first quarter of 2021 alone.
I started POS business 3 months ago. My name is Zalia. I was told that coming to work here before now was very difficult because people spend hours in a short distance due to bad roads. I am one of the fortunate fellows to have escaped the pains of bad roads since Dangote came to our rescue. The journey to work is now short, smooth and stress-free. Nagode Dangote.
Productivity has increased tremendously on the axis as businesses and social activities are on the rise.
I am Mrs. Osebo. As an executive, I do a lot of thinking and planning. Commuting on Apapa Road before now took a huge toll on me in the time wasted and the stress induced by endless traffic caused by bad road. As you can see, we have a fresh air of smooth and fast commuting. Thanks to Dangote for a world-class rigid table. At the office, I function maximally and my life is good. My husband and I and our 2 children are a happy lot. Thank you, Dangote.
My father now takes me to school in his Uber car on this smooth road. It is so easy for my friends and I to go to school.
As the Dangote Group continues to push the boundaries of possibilities in Nigeria, it continues to ensure its impact is felt in the lives of Nigerians. Those in the transport segment now save a lot more fuel from spending less time in traffic, improve their revenue by doing more trips. Businesses in the axis have witnessed huge patronage as their customer base has increased threefold.
My name is Rita. As a booker operator, I leave home very early daily to serve my customers. Keke is my preferred option as a means of transport. The journey to work on this Apapa road was painful until Dangote fixed the road. Today, the story is different. Movement on the road is smooth, calm and fast. I now serve my customers on time with good food. We appreciate you, Dangote.
Commuters now spend less time in traffic, improving their health by eliminating the stress of being in gridlocks for hours. Children no longer need to wake up as early as 4 a.m. to get to school.
I like the way we move fast on this road. They say aeroplane can land on this road because it is very hard. Government, please give us roads like this one everywhere in our country. Thank you, Oga Dangote.
The butterfly effect of this Dangote intervention is being felt across the length and breadth of the nation. Trailers delivering goods interstate no longer spend weeks on the roads for a journey less than 24 hours. Little wonder Nigerians have nothing but praise for the Dangote group. The Dangote business is invested only in areas where it can touch the lives of Nigerians and Nigeria, determined to lift Nigeria out of poverty. With its investment in agriculture, oil and gas, cement production, employing hundreds of thousands of Nigerians, young and vibrant across all sectors, providing them with training and modern skills acquisition. The Dangote Industries Limited has ensured that it is investing in the future of Nigeria.